Okay, got to draw y equals x squared minus 2x. I'm never going to start with negatives because that's where the problems are going to be. I'm going to start when x is 0. 0 times 0 is nothing. Take away 2 nothings is also nothing. So I'm going to put a cross there immediately. Now I'm going to do the positives. When x is 1, 1 squared is 1. So you have 1, that's going to be 1. Take away 2 ones is 2, and that equals negative 1. So 1 will be negative 1. Check the scale. 1, negative 1, there. Next one's 2. 2 squared is 4. Take away 2 2's is also 4, and that'll be 0. So 2 will be 0. 3. 3 squared is 9. Take away 2 3's is 6. That equals 3. So when x is 3, y is also 3. Now we go on to the more difficult ones, where we got the negatives. Negative 1 squared means negative 1 times by negative 1, and that equals a positive 1. So it'll be 1. Take away 2 lots of negative 1, that's negative 2. 1 minus minus 2, that becomes 1 plus 2 is 3. So minus 1 is 3. And now we use a graph, and does that look as though it could be right? Yeah, it does look as though it could be right. It's symmetrical, so that's quite good. Let's do negative 2. Don't forget that negative 2 squared means negative 2 times by negative 2, which is negative times a negative is a positive. 2 2's 4. So that's 4 minus, and then 2 x's. 2 x's are negative 4. 4 minus negative 4 is 4 plus 4, which is 8. So negative 2 should be 8. That's also looking quite good. And last one, negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. Take away 2 lots of negative 3 is negative 6. And that equals 9 plus 6, which is 15. Doesn't fit on my axis, so in an exam that might be a problem, but this is mine, so it's probably okay. It's one little cheat you can do to check to see if you're right. You could try doing what 4 is, because 4 is easy. And these quadratics will always be symmetrical. When it's quadratics, when you've got an x squared. So if I do 4, 4 squared's 16. Take away 2 4's, it's 8. That equals 8. And 4 would be 8. And you can see I've got symmetrical. But I would not get full marks for this because I have to make sure that I draw a smooth curve between them. Like so. And that would then give it to me. That's question 1 done.